हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ ए डायपोल इन एन एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. So we have to place a dipole in external electric field. So this is the dipole and we can place this in external electric field. Now we have to find the potential energy of a dipole in this field. So some work must be done by an external agent to rotate the dipole through some angle, and this work done is stored as potential energy in the system of dipole and external field. तो हम कंसीडर करते हैं कि कुछ वर्क रिक्वायर्ड है टू रोटेट द डायपोल थ्रू एन एंगल d थीटा. तो दिस वर्क डन कैन बी रिटन एज dw, which is equals to tau into d theta, and this d theta is the angular distance. We have already derived the expression for tau, which is tau equals to p e sine theta. So for a rotation from theta 1 to theta 2, the change in potential energy is given by u2 minus u1, and which is equals to integration of tau d theta from theta 1 to theta 2. We can place the value of tau in this expression. So this expression becomes integration from theta 1 to theta 2 p e sine theta d theta. P and e are constant, so we can write p e integration theta 1 to theta 2 sine theta d theta. Now our expression of u2 minus u1, which is equals to p e integration of theta 1 to theta 2 sine theta d theta, can be solved. For this we have to solve this integral, and the value of this integral will be p e multiplied by minus cos theta within limit theta 1 to theta 2. On solving this equation further, this becomes u2 minus u1 p e minus cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. So we will get p e cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Now we can take this cos theta 1 as constant, which depends on the initial orientation of the dipole. कन्वीनियंस के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम इस थीटा 1 को इक्वल कर सकते हैं 90 के, which implies cos theta 1 equals to cos 90, which is equals to 0. So initial position will be 0. So initial energy, potential energy u1 becomes 0 at theta 1 equals to 90 degree, and this is the reference potential energy in this system. We can write in general the potential energy U is equals to final potential energy of the system, and it can be written as U equals to minus of P E cos theta or in terms of vector or dot product, this potential energy becomes U equals to minus P vector dot E vector. So this is the potential energy of a dipole in an external electric field.